Okay, prescribed 5, sine A plus B equals sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay, so in this one, for our proof, we start off by using cos A minus B. So cos of A minus B is the formula we'll start with. So let's look that up. Cos A cos B, it's here. So it's cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Okay, the next step is very unusual. You're going to replace A with 90 minus A. So yeah, it's just one you're going to have to remember. 90 minus A, that's what we're replacing A with, and then I still have my minus B. So all my A's now are replaced with 90 minus A. Okay, now on the left hand side here, I'm going to factorize out the two minuses I have. So that gives me 90 degrees minus A plus B. Okay. Plus sine of 90 minus A sine B. Okay, now we need to get to work. What we have here essentially now is we have the cos of A minus B here, okay, where A is 90 and B is A plus B. So we're going to use that rule on the left side. So cos of A minus B is cos of A cos B sine A sine B. So that's going to be cos of 90 degrees multiplied by the cos of A plus B plus the sine of 90 degrees times the sine of A plus B. So that's the left side. The right side, my cos 90 minus A, is again, it's like an A minus B, except A is 90 and A is 90 is A and A is B. So I'm going to apply the cos formula again here. So that is going to be cos of 90 cos A plus sine 90 sine A, and all that is being multiplied by cos B here. All right. And further over, I have sine 90 minus A, so that's like an A minus B formula there again. So sine A minus B, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So it is sine 90 cos B minus, minus cos 90 sine, there's no B there, it's an A of course, minus cos 90 sine A, cos 90 sine A, and that's all being multiplied by sine B. Okay, right, nearly there. So let's look up what the cos and sine of 90 is. So we can see that the cos of 90 is 0, the sine of 90 is 1. So all cos 90s turn to 0. So I've got, on the left-hand side here, I've got this cos 90 turns to 0. This cos 90 turns to 0, so all that is gone. Sine 90 turns to 1, so that just leaves me with sine of A plus B on the left. Cos 90 turns to 0. So that's gone, and sine 90 turns to 1, so that's just sine A, and it's being multiplied by B, so it's just sine A cos B. Plus, so again, cos 90 turns to 0, so that's gone. Sine 90 turns to 1, so it's just going to be sine B by cos A, so that's just cos A sine B. Okay, tricky enough proof, but yeah, we've done more difficult ones, I think.